Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to be doing a close-up swatch video of this beauty here. I have tried swatching it before and the file's corrupted, so we're going to try and do it again now. I'm sure she doesn't need any introduction. Let's turn it the right way around. So this palette was brought out once before and I missed it. I was really upset that I missed it the first time around. And then Sydney Grace decided to bring it out again and give a portion of the money to Mel Thompson's family, so I definitely knew that I needed it then. I love the palette anyway, and the fact that Mel's family is going to get some money from people buying this palette is just great in my opinion. So yeah, we're going to start left and work our way right on all three rows. So we're going to go in first with Web, which is a nice inner corner shimmer. I mean, I could personally wear this as a face highlight as well. It is such a super pretty eyeshadow, that, isn't it? So we've got that one. Then we've got Tree Hopper, which is a really nice transition matte for my skin tone anyway. So that's Tree Hopper. Ignore this swatch here, it was a lipstick and I'm struggling to get it off. Then we've got Firebox, which is a really nice gold metallic. These metallics, guys, in this palette are so foiled, you don't even need much of it. I mean, that's just one swatch. I need this towelette thing so I can wipe it off. Then we've got Walking Stick, which is just a slightly deeper brown. Really nice. It's almost like a mustard brown. Then we have Scarab, definitely one of my favourite shades in the palette. Look at that, guys. And again, that's just one swatch. Then we have, so we're going on to the middle row now. We've got Flutterby, which is absolutely beautiful. I love this shade. Just like a peach matte. Then we've got BB, another really great shimmer. I mean, look at that, guys. That is definitely me. It's just one swatch. And I'll show it you when we build it up. Look at that. That is stunning. Then we've got Mantis. So I did want to use this palette for the next 5 days, but I start a job on Monday and I won't be wearing makeup for that job because it is, again, warehouse work. So I feel like I just want to pull one of the Pat McGrath quads. So this is the Mantis shade here, and then probably in the next shot my stash will pull this. Then we've got Meadowhawk. That is stunning, because I definitely want to do 5 days 5 looks with this palette. And show you what different looks I can create. Then we've got Lovebug. So that's them there. And then we're moving on to the last row. Then we've got Julby. That is absolutely stunning. I love these pastel shades. That's Julby there. Then we've got Marvel. And again, absolutely love it. They're just so foiled. This is my first time trying Sydney Grace eyeshadows and I'm so impressed with it. When I got it in the haul, I said that I wouldn't get Sydney Grace eyeshadows, but I'd definitely get more Sydney Grace eyeshadows. There's a couple of multi-chromes that I'd like to buy, but obviously I want to put in a bigger order than that, so maybe in a few months you'll see some more Sydney Grace on my channel. I just don't like how long it takes to get here. But this was a rare exception. They had to make the palette. It was on back order when I ordered it. That was in November. I didn't get it till right at the end of December. So that's them. We've got Death Moth next. And the mattes are just so creamy as well. Then we've got Bugaboo. If you've got this palette, let me know your thoughts on it. I'd really love to know what you think. And then we've got Spider. Right, that one's a bit patchy. It budded is my arm. I say this all the time, but it's really dry, my arm. But that is the only one that's looking a bit patchy. You should be able to see that coming a little bit closer. But these swatches, guys, aren't they just pretty? They're just really amazing. So yeah, this concludes the video. This is the beautiful Tiny Marvels palette. Like I said earlier, let me know your thoughts on it, whether you've got it or whether you haven't. I would love to know who's got it, who watches the channel, and if you've done any looks with it, please leave me a comment down below. Even if you're not subscribed to me, please leave me your channel link and I'll go ahead and watch it, as I'd really love to know what kind of looks that you've created with the palette. So guys, this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.